Instagram ads versus Facebook ads. What exactly is the difference between these two platforms? Everything you need to know will be in this video. All right, welcome to my channel. Now, in this video, we want to talk about the difference between Instagram ads and Facebook ads and all that you need to know in 2022. Now, number one thing you need to understand is that the platforms are actually the same. Of course, you know that Facebook owns Instagram, so they are both, they're the same, but they give us different results when we run ads. So when we talk about ads, let's first of all look at Facebook ads. What exactly makes Facebook ads interesting or nice? The fact that you have a lot of options on Facebook ads is why I personally like it. You have a lot of options, you have detailed targeting, you can do a lot more targeting than Instagram ads. But sometimes when something has too many options, it sometimes can limit the results you get. Now, Instagram ads, on the other hand, is direct. It has a direct approach. All you have to do is just click boost post on a particular post and you start to run your ad. You put in the target and you start to run your ad and you get results. Now, let me also quickly say that these two platforms, I believe that they work for different strategies. What am I saying? What I'm saying exactly is that if you're trying to grow your Instagram followers, using the Instagram ads platform is a lot better for you than using the Facebook ads platform, in my opinion. Why? Because Instagram ads or Instagram app has a direct approach to this, and you can choose between profile visits, website visits, and messages. Meanwhile, profile visit is what works a lot for followers. So the strategy you're trying to put in place is what will determine what platform you will use. I would not say that one platform is better than the other. They are loaded with different options. But if you want more options for your advert, I'll tell you to go and use the Facebook ads platform. All right. And if you want a more direct approach, you want to grow your followers, you want to increase your engagement, I'll say you should use the Instagram app. Do your ads on the Instagram app. Those are the basic difference that you need to understand. But both platforms, for me, Instagram ads is what works for me. So, and also a lot of other people also still say that Facebook ads is a lot more cheap and they don't have the right type of audiences for them when it comes to sales. Why some people say Instagram has a lot of high ticket clients, quality clients that can pay the right amount for your product. So what do you think? Instagram ads or Facebook ads in 2022, which one works for you the best? Let me know in the comment section what you think. Also, remember that you need to subscribe to my channel. Help me so that you can keep seeing videos like this on this channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in another video.